Hulyan.
Ready. Let's go.
Thomas and Friends. It's a whistle. Thomas and Friends whistle. Alright, let's unwrap it, Rhea. Let's unwrap the Thomas and Friends whistle. There you go. Whee! Nice.
Beacon.
Thomas and Friends whistle.
Mommy, look. Mommy, look.
Hi, Maya girl. So pretty naman yung Maya girl na yan, no? Good day, Maya. Wow, pigeon feather. Nice day, Maya girl. Nice.
Where's your
That's so loud. It's so loud, Hulyan.
Give me two.
Can you try it,
big blow.
Rhea? Wow, it's so loud.
You try now.
You try it, Mommy Rhea. Wow, it's so loud.
And I try this.
Nice.
The whistle is small, but it's so loud. It's so loud indeed. Nice one. Well, there you have it, kids. A Thomas and Friends whistle. Ah! That's a big one! Alright, we have a big one and a small one. The small one is better. You're so funny, Hulyan. Oh, there you go, there you go. Alright, awesome. How about you, Maya? Try it. The small one. Never mind.
Horsey, horsey, horsey,
Maya girl, so sweet.
horsey, horsey.
Horsey, horsey. Horsey, horsey. The big Thomas and Friends whistle and the small one.
This monster. Beautiful. It's already like 2 times. Different colors, different things.
Choo-choo train. Dinosaurs. Hulyan, are you having fun?
Yeah.
You too, Maya? Nice. Where is the Thomas whistle? There you go. Hi. Yan.
Versus red versus bigger. Blue wins. Red wins.
Alright, cool.
Girl, where's that other one? Where's that other one?
The other one, that's it, Nat. That's all the plates.
Mommy,
Bye.
this for you.
Oh, thank you.
And this for Ola.
Hola. Wow, how sweet.
And this for Daddy.
Thank you.
And this for Hulyan.
Alright, thank you, Maya.
Nice. Hola.
Tastes good, Julian? Yeah? Wow, there's a light.